you screw this here, this brings this wedge back and tightens it within the 12 gauge chamber, holding it nice and tight, and it centres so it doesn't move very much. When you're going to regulate it, there's the windage here, and the other side is elevation. You back these screws off, and that will push this wedge up within the barrel and move it left or right, and then this will move it up and down. It's a painful process, but once you get it zeroed, and for this case it's the 22 Magnum at 100 meters, the results with the 44 centimeter barrel are quite outstanding. I used the CCI Vmax 30 grain bullets in the 22 Magnum.